Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I have about 4 trains. So let's start with the first one. First up, we have a Southern Pacific coal hopper, which is a shortened one. See, it's pretty similar to the old one that I had. Pretty simple too. Next one. Next up, we have Rio Grande 484 Northern. So starting with the tender, it's pretty simple. This locomotive's in the Rio Grande Bumblebee paint scheme, I believe. It's got rear marker lamps. It's got coal. And onto the locomotive, I heavily inspired this by my CB&Q gold locomotive. So we have the ladder, and all those details. Got cab, 1804 number board, or number plate, whatever. Pipes and whatnot, pistons, all these details and whatnot. You got the number boards, marker lights, bell, and the front light. Basically the same on the other side. Kind of see. Runs curves and switches. I'll demonstrate that right now. Maybe not switches, but it does run curves. Okay, I can run the switches backwards apparently, but it runs the curves. On to the next one. Anyway, next up we have is this 2060. So, starting with the tender, it's got wood. We got the ladder, it's numbered, or named Crowell. Not sure if that means anything. You got the water thing and the ladder. This is from, I believe, the Red River and Gulf Railroad. This is number 202, real locomotive, real paint scheme, I believe. Got the cab, I think a light there, domes and whatnot. All this, red wheels, and then that. Same on the other side, pretty much. This one runs curves and switches. See that? Now for the curve. Runs them good. Now onto the final locomotive. And finally, we have the Union Pacific film famous 5511. So starting with the tender, it's looking like this. It's got oil. They're restoring this one. It's got reverse lamp. Got the toolboxes, I believe, the little railing, running board. Onto the locomotive, it's got the number, cab, all that. The air compressors or something. All these details, the number boards, marker lights, on the front. Same thing, almost on the other side. This was in the Union Pacific film Last of the Giants, I believe. This runs curves. It might not run switches. But I think a bull moose and a no 60 would go perfectly with this. Bull moose being a 2880. Let's see if this thing runs curves, or no, switches. Surprisingly it does. Anyway, I think this locomotive turned out really good. I'm not sure what's next, but I guess I'll see y'all in the next one. So, yeah. Bye.